This is Debbie with the Food Prepping channel. And do you see this? I was shocked. I was in dismay. I was so excited. We went to Walmart, and Walmart had their asparagus $1.24 a pound. At Food Line and Kroger, it was $1.99. So you best better believe that if I could have gotten more, I would have. But I got 2 pounds of it. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to cut this up. And usually you can feel on your asparagus, on the sprout or whatever you call this, you can feel where it stops getting hard. And you break it right there. And that's the tender part. This part came off. That was hard. This is tender. And I'm going to do that to all of this asparagus. I'll show you again. You can feel really where, if you're going up the sprout, whatever you want to call it, you can feel where it's not hard anymore and break it off right there. And so here's the bottom of it. This is the part that you don't eat, and here's the part that you do. And I'm going to roast this. I've got my oven preheating on 375. And I'm going to cut all this up, and I'll bring you back when I get ready for the next part. Okay, I'm back. Alright, I've cut all this up, and it's in the bowl. And now I'm going to add some, this is what kind of olive oil I use, and this is just regular olive oil. This is not extra virgin. And I'm going to put some of this, I'm just going to coat this asparagus with this olive oil.
This is how you do it.
That may have been 3 tablespoons, but it's gonna, most of it's gonna be in the bottom of the bowl. But I'm gonna shake this and mix it all up and get it coated in the oil. And then I'm gonna get Regina to open my salt and my pepper for me and sprinkle some salt and pepper on here. I guess I can go on and put it in the pan first. Let me move this. Alright. Like I said, I've got my oven preheating to 375. And see, here's the... See the oil in the bottom of it? It's all coated in oil, but the oil pretty much stayed in the bottom of the bowl. So I really didn't need to pour as much as I did. Alright, now I'm going to sprinkle some salt on here, because you got to have salt on your asparagus. Alright, and then I'm going to sprinkle some coarse ground black pepper. Because I love it. And then, let me get my cheese, yeah. I've got this Kraft grated Parmesan cheese. Somebody said, I forgot what they said about the cheese. This isn't the fresh though, but I'm just going to sprinkle this all over it, because this is going to make it taste so good. And I think that I'm going to I'm going to cover this up with aluminum foil for about 10 minutes. Because I want this to be extra soft. I really like my asparagus soft. I don't like it hard. If you like it hard, then don't cover it up. But I'm going to cover mine up. Alright, so I'm going to cover this up now and put it in the oven for 10 minutes. Take the aluminum foil off and I'll see where it's at that time, and I'll let you know how much longer it took after the first 10 minutes. Okay, I'm back. Alright, this cooked for 10 minutes covered and 15 minutes uncovered. And you can see this is not very much for 2 pounds of asparagus. But I'm going to put just a little bit on my plate. And we're eating this for dinners, but I do want to taste it for you. See what it tastes like. So I'm going to get a few spears here on my plate. I love asparagus. And you can see it's not very much at all. Asparagus is so good roasted. So good. And see the cheese? Let me show you. Well, if I can get it up there. See the cheese, the Parmesan cheese on it? This is so good. This is the only way to fix asparagus. Asparagus shrinks up just like any other green, but it is so good. So, give this a try and let me know whether you like it or not. And look below for links to my Facebook, my Twitter, Zacon Farm Fresh Meats, where you can see if meats are in your area, and you can go and pick them up, and you get really good deals. I got shrimp from them, I've gotten ground beef from them, and I've gotten chicken from them. And they are amazing. And the link below will be to that below. Just in the description box below will be the recipe for this. And if you make this and if you like it, let me know. And I will talk to you later. You have a good day. Bye.